Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be walking through the steps to recover your Facebook page ownership if you've lost access. If you're dealing with a hacked or compromised account, don't worry, I've got you covered. First, head over to the Facebook page you own. You can search for it directly or find it in your profile. Once you're on the page, tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Report Page. Then, choose the option that best describes the issue. Either fake page, fraud or scam, or pretending to be something else. This lets Facebook know that the page has been hacked and that you're the rightful owner. After reporting the page, the next step is to visit Facebook's Help Center. Simply search for Facebook Help Center in your browser, and once you're there, look for help related to page ownership recovery. You can also search for the term hacked in the Help Center to find articles or queries that guide you through reclaiming a hacked Facebook page. For a faster solution, you might consider working with an ethical hacker. These professionals specialize in helping users recover hacked accounts legally and securely. You can find ethical hackers on freelancing platforms. Just search for ethical hacking and look for those who specialize in Facebook or social media account recovery. By following these steps, you should be able to reclaim ownership of your Facebook page and regain access in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.